I wrote this class because I was listening. I was listening to agents who are struggling as this market transitions to figure out where they need to be. What was working for them isn't right now. They're struggling, they're concerned because the market has changed. It's moved away from them and they don't know where to be. In this class, we look at the things that tell us where the market not only is, but where it's going. The stuff that we as market experts should be paying attention to position our customers not for what they should do right now, what the play is right now that's probably even played out, but where the play is going to be. Everything that goes on applies pressure to the market. Recognizing that those pressures create incentives and disincentives that enable people to find opportunities for certain types of real estate, certain things for them to do that are going to perform better than others. Agents, as their representative, as the one that's supposed to be the expert in looking out for them, should be able to know what those things are and give the customer a sense that they're looking at those things, paying attention to them, and giving them guidance based upon what we know of what real estate has done in the past and what the new pressures that are being applied to our product are going to make our product do going forward. This is going to set them up not only to position their customers better, but to position their own businesses better so that they're confident, that they feel great about what they're selling, what they're doing, and what the future of that is going to look like.